All right, in the last lesson, we talked about how to write an equation from the word problem. So you saw a problem like this. First thing we did, we found the total. What is your constant? That would be what you are adding or subtracting by. What are we looking for? That would be our unknown or your variable. And what are you multiplying by? And then we wrote our equation. This is a problem that we did yesterday, so we're not going to go over it again. I just wanted to show you to kind of refresh your memory. All right, so today we're going to use the same steps. So finding the total, your constant, your variable, your coefficient, but now the problem is going to be written backwards. So we're going to like this. So now they're going to give you the equation and they're going to ask you to find the word problem. I know it's a lot of words, but don't stress out. We'll get through it, okay? We're going to use the same exact steps that we did in the last lesson. So first thing we do is find our total. So for this problem, your total is $27, or not dollars, I'm sorry, 27. So the total is 27. So we're going to read through problem A and we're going to do process of elimination. So let's see if problem A works. A movie theater charges $7 for a ticket plus 50 cents per snack item. How many snack items can a person buy if they spend a total of 27? Well, if we look at this, the total is 27, so the first part works. Are we adding or subtracting by 7? Yes, that is our constant. It charges a one-time, you only pay for one ticket for yourself, and then it is 50 cents per snack. So right here, answer A would work. So that would be A. Let's go ahead and check the other ones just so we can go through and make sure. So let's look at B. Sarah downloaded an app for her phone that cost $6 plus some songs that cost 50 cents each. How much did that's a spelling error. How much did Sarah pay for the app and songs if she downloaded 27 songs? So again, the total is 27, so that works. But it looks like our constant is 6, and in the equation up top, the constant has to be 7. So that's why B would not work. So C, a babysitter charges $6 per hour. All right, I'm going to stop right there. Again, 6, and the coefficient, or what we're multiplying by, is supposed to be 50 cents. So we know right away, we're not multiplying by 6, we're multiplying by 50 cents. Last one, Claire earns $7.50 per hour at her job. How long will it take her to earn $27? All right, we're not multiplying by $7.50, so I know that cannot be the answer either. So use process of elimination, and luckily for us, the first answer choice A worked, so that was the correct answer. Okay, now let's look at the next problem. Which situation is best represented by the following equation? We have 25W plus 123 and 95 hundredths equals 753 and 95 hundredths. All right, so the first thing we have is our total, which is 753.95. We are multiplying by 45, and we know our constant is the 23.95. So let's go through our word problems and see if we can find the correct answer. So again, we're going to start at A. Erica paid $753.95 for dance classes. She paid $123.95 in a registration fee and $45 each week she was enrolled in the classes. What is W, the number of weeks Erica was enrolled in dance classes? So our total, the total is, so that works. We have our constant is 123.95 and 45 for each week. We're looking for the total number of weeks, and that works. Well, look at there. We got lucky on both problems, and they were answer A. So the problem here was answer A. Answer A. You can't see the letter, so I'll just circle right there. And if you go through the rest, we can figure out where they went wrong. So in B, the total is correct again. She paid $45 registration fee. Well, that would be our constant. That would have to be what you're adding, and you would be multiplying by 123. So that is why that would be incorrect. All right, we look at the third one. Again, the total is the same. That is correct. She paid $123.95 each week. So that's, again, what you would be multiplying by. And her sister paid. So you're actually comparing what her and her sister paid. So that's incorrect. Last one, again, the total is the same, but our constant and coefficient are off. So that is incorrect. So the correct answer was A. All right, guys, go ahead and move on to your independent practice. It's a Google form. And let your teacher know if you need any help.